So hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT 4.0 or 4o to generate images. Now right here, I'm currently inside ChatGPT, and by the way guys, this is a free account. Now this is currently using the ChatGPT option, and it has been updated to the latest version. And again guys, this is a free account. Anyway, I can still use 4.0 by simply clicking on that option right there, making sure that this is 4.0 because if the choice is right there, ChatGPT Plus is going to be the paid one. Now to get started, you're going to see some option here to think before responding, get detailed insights on my topic. This is available until June 3rd, and then basically visualize ideas and concept. So as you can see right here, create an image of a garden, theme, party, invitations, or create an astronaut with a duck holding on Mars. So I'll get back to you once this is done. This might take a while. So welcome back to the video. This is gonna be our result for the image of an astronaut wearing a duck inflatable on his waist on Mars. That's it, actually pretty cool. And by the way guys, this is the whole explanation for 4.0 image generations. And right now, they're creating very meaningful images. So these are sample images you can check. As you can see right there, they're pretty realistic. Alright? So there are character consistency, improved capabilities, and text rendering. Another sample images for you guys, and there we have it. And by the way guys, just as a disclaimer, if you're using the free account, it might take a while to generate your images, but it will be there, around 20 minutes or so. However, that's going to be the free account, right? And technically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.